In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a gradient stroke in Adobe Illustrator, step by step. If you've ever tried applying a gradient and notice it only fills the inside of your shape, not the outline, this tutorial will clear everything up. By the end of this video, you'll know how to apply linear, radial, and even gradients that flow along a stroke for a really professional look. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and select the object or path that you want to apply the gradient stroke to. This can be a simple shape like a circle or rectangle, or even a custom path you created with the pen tool. The key thing here is to make sure the object is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or anchor points visible around it. Next, we need to open the Gradient panel. Go to the top menu, click on Window, and then choose Gradient from the drop-down list. This will open the Gradient panel, usually on the right-hand side of your workspace. If you already see it docked in your panels, you can simply click to expand it. Now here's the important part. In the toolbar on the left side of your screen, you'll see two overlapping boxes near the bottom. One represents the fill, and the other represents the stroke. To apply a gradient to the stroke, you must click on the stroke box to make it active. This step is crucial. If the fill box is active instead, the gradient will apply to the inside of the shape, not the outline. Once the stroke is active, go to the Gradient panel and click on one of the default gradient presets. As soon as you click it, you'll see the gradient applied directly to the stroke of your object. At this point, the effect might look subtle, depending on your stroke weight, so if needed, increase the stroke weight in the Properties panel to make the gradient more visible. Now let's customize the gradient type. In the Gradient panel, you'll see options for linear, radial, and a long stroke. Linear will apply the gradient in a straight line across the stroke. Radial will create a circular blend of color. A long stroke is especially powerful because it makes the gradient follow the entire path direction, which works beautifully for curved lines, logos, and illustrations. Click through each option to see which effect works best for your design. To adjust the colors, look at the Gradient slider in the Gradient panel. You'll see small color stops underneath the slider. Click on any stop to change its color. You can double-click a stop to open the color picker or choose a swatch from your swatches panel. You can also drag the stops left or right to control how the colors blend. If you want to add more colors, simply click beneath the slider to create a new stop. This gives you full control over how smooth or dramatic the transition looks. You can also adjust the angle for linear gradients or the aspect ratio for radial gradients directly inside the Gradient panel. Take a moment to experiment with these settings until you get the exact look you want. And that's it. That's how you add and customize a gradient stroke in Illustrator. It's a simple technique, but it can instantly make your designs look more dynamic and polished. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.